Hi guys, this is Khanno number 5. Today I'm gonna show how can repair cell phone if cell phone something wrong. This cell phone problem is this speaker, which one hand free, the loudest sound speaker, this is the one is not working properly, like a crack. So I have to connect from here and put one of new micro connector here, so I can external small speaker I can add here. This is built-in internal antenna, which one receive the signal and send the signal. This is jack for hand free. This is SIM card right here, battery connector here, camera is right here, and charging port is here. This is camera top cover for make a seal for waterproof. Water cannot go inside the camera for safety. This is external camera top lens. This is regular speaker, which one we can hearing voice from other people. 0.5 milliwatt. This is the battery, 3.7 volt, 930 milliampere, and this is the line or SIM card. So anyway, so I have to change this system. I already checked this one by multimeter. It has something wrong, but already I checked. This guy is okay, is working good. It doesn't have any problem. It's good. This one something wrong, is make a noise like a crack. So I have to fix this one. For this reason I have to open all of screw full set. When I'm done, I'm gonna show how is working. Please take a look.